Hello guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 2nd. Today we are going to learn the rounded corner. How can you create your rounded corner by using some properties and values in CSS. Make sure this is the advanced CSS or CSS3 series. In the previous lecture we have discussed that how can you download the PHP Storm, which ID we are going to use, and we have already discuss that which topics we are going to cover. Okay, so as you can see, I have the PHP Storm. I have downloaded and installed. I hope you are using these tools. If you are using some other tools like JetBrains or like Notepad++, it's up to you. Okay, so as you know, we have the CSS. We have created the CSS folder in our F drive. So I have created the CSS folder in F drive. I have created the index.html file. I also have created the assets folder, and in the assets folder, as you can see, we have 3 logos. As you can see, these are the logos, and we also have created a styling file. Okay, fine. I'm saying I'm going to create. Okay, I have already opened this one. If you want to open, just click on the file, click on the open, select your path and also the folder, just click on the OK button. I'm saying open this. Okay, now as you can see, this is the index.html file. We have used some codes here, some stuff here. I'm going to create, I'm renaming this one so you can easily get the code. Okay, I'm saying this is the basic CSS. Okay, now I'm creating the HTML file so you guys can easily understand. The name of the HTML file is index. Fine. So I'm saying CSS3, and now I'm going to add the style. And here I'm saying where in the assets folder we have style.css. Fine. So I'm saying h1 to check either we have successfully used the file. Here is my heading, and now I'm going to open the style sheet. So in the assets I have a style sheet, and here as you can see we have some codes. I'm also going to comment this one, and now here I'm going to add some class like I'm saying ABC, and here I'm going to call the class by using the dot. Make sure this is a class, and I'm saying background red and okay, fine, and I'm saying color white. Okay, you can open this one by clicking this file. First of all, you can also open with your editor, like just click on the browser. So both are the same thing. Okay, so now as you can see, it's working fine. Let's suppose if you give the wrong file, then what happens? As you can see, the styling is not working. So how can you debug? Just right click, inspect element, and go to the console. As you can see, it's saying this file is not exist, means this file is not available in the assets folder. So that's why it's giving you the error. That's why the styling is not working. So make sure we are fixing, and this file is definitely available in this folder. Okay, fine. So this is we have used the wrong file. Let's suppose if you have used the wrong path, then what happens? Same errors occurs. So now as you can see, it's saying the system or the HTML file is not getting this folder. So once again, fine, it's working. So now we are ready to go. So now how can you create the corners? Let's suppose these corners here. So I'm saying with the same class, I'm saying border radius, I'm saying 10 pixel. go to the back, refresh the page. As you can see, it's fine. Fine. So you are giving the radius, or you are creating the corners 10 pixels. You can also use the 5 pixels. Make sure you are saying for each corner, like left, right. So this is the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Okay, fine. Let's suppose I'm saying padding. Sorry, I'm saying padding 10 pixels, so you guys can easily understand. So with some margin, I'm saying margin from top 10 pixels. Sorry, I'm directly using DR for now. Fine. So now, as you can see, these are the corners you have created. What happens if you only need the top corner? I'm saying I'm going to open with the inspect element to save my time. I'm saying with this one. Okay, now, so this is the border radius. If I'm saying 5 pixel, or if I'm saying 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, so now here, as you can see, you are just adding the corner for your top field. Let's suppose if you are saying that it's 15. Okay, so you are using the 15 pixel for the top corner, top left corner. Let's suppose if you need only top left and top right, then you have to enable the second one. Let's suppose I'm saying 10 pixel. So as you can see, you are just used, or you're using the top right corner. Okay, so same way for this 10 pixel, that means you are using for the right bottom, and here, as you can see, this is the last one. So it's start from here, left, right, bottom, and for the ending. So it's up to you. I'm going to refresh this one, and now I'm saying that I'm only going to use the 15 pixel for the top left. Rest of the, okay, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's now working fine. Okay, so this is the H1 element. Let's suppose if you have image, like I have image, and go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, this is the image. If you want to use the border radius for this particular image, let's suppose I'm saying border radius, let's suppose 100 pixels. So here, as you can see, it's giving the 100 pixel for this image. I'm saying assets, and now I'm saying this logo, or for the second image, no, image. Okay, if I'm saying remove this one, here now I'm saying okay, here as you can see, you are not using the border radius here, but once again, so now you are using the 100 pixel border radius for the top, left, bottom. Okay, so similarly you can also use the border radius for any HTML element, like H1, like paragraphs, like images. So it's up to you how you are using and what are the requirements. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, Feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update, because we always update our courses on YouTube and other platform. So thank you for watching.